You've logged into Padlet. You're all set. You should be here at your dashboard. If it looks different, you can come over here to the Padlet icon in the upper left corner and click on it. And so you're at your dashboard. And to make a Padlet, click right here on Make a Padlet. There's different formats. You can experiment with the different formats. I usually use wall. I believe that it's simple and direct and clear. It always gives you a randomly chosen wallpaper in the background. And so you can come down here to wallpaper and choose colors, gradients, textures, and patterns. I'm a fan of more a simple wallpaper because we're trying to highlight the images, but feel free to experiment with whatever direction you want to go in. It also comes in with a title, My Artistic Padlet, so you can just title your Padlet however you'd like. I'm going with images I like. And then it says made with a stroke of good luck. I disagree with that. Made with planning. It's not about luck, but you can either delete that description or add your own. If you'd like to customize it a little bit more, you can click on icon, and there's all the different emojis. I'm going to click on ideas, and so when I select, I'm going to select the camera here, it shows up over here. So it's a way of customizing it a little bit. So then with this arrow, it always brings me back to my menu, and I'm good to go. So come up here to the upper right corner and click on Next, and then I can just start posting. Now, one thing, there's a triple dot menu right here. If you click on that menu in the upper right corner, you could click to modify if you want to change what you've done, or if you just want to delete it and start again, you would come down to delete. All right, look forward to seeing your Padlets. Thank you.